guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick and help video to any of you guys trying to find out how to remove front right passenger seat on Porsche Cayenne first generation right here from year 2002 to year 2010. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. Now we have more than 300 free repair videos on Porsche Cayenne on our YouTube channel. Check it out guys, because we're always working on those things. If you have one, you always work on them, and we have a few actually that we're constantly rebuilding. So let's go ahead and explain how to do that now. So, before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make guys at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels guys, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's start on it now. So the first step that we need to do, we're going to move the seat all the way, okay, to the front. So make sure that you scoot it all the way to the front. Here guys, next, okay, we have some problems here a little bit. Okay, let us show you. We need to remove that cover, okay, ours came loose. So now we're going to go ahead and we need to pry, okay, these covers up. Okay, let me see exactly which one it was coming up on this. It's been a while. Okay, the little one right there. I'll get it later. One more on this side. Okay, they just came loose. Okay, now we need to slide these ones over, but well, we won't need to. We can reach that way now. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to need M10 triple square socket, and we'll go right here. Okay, to remove that one. So we'll go ahead. My goodness, I don't know who tightened those things, but they have thread locker. Seat bolts always have that blue Loctite thread locker, which is super hard to break loose and super hard to take off. So okay, that's what we're doing now. Let me switch to the little ratchet. I think we should be able to. So still quite tight guys. You'll see, you'll start smelling funny too, because that thread locker is getting hot. You have a lot of friction, the bolt gets hot too. Okay. Come on, it's getting a little bit easier now. Okay, so check out the amount of thread locker. Smells funny, terrible. So now here we have one more, and I'm trying to find out, okay, how we're gonna get to that bolt. It's all the way under the cover on the other side, right there. Comes a little bit in an angle, so be careful not to strip things, right? Always think twice. Okay. We are rebuilding the headliner on that thing, which is got it, taking it completely apart to detail clean everything, because it's a mess. We'll be putting a new engine. Otherwise, it's really loaded, nice looking Cayenne. Just it's been really neglected, so I think it will turn out amazing. Let me try the little one. See if that's gonna do it now. Okay, so consider this video for entertaining purposes only, because you have airbags in these seats. You need to be qualified and certified to work on airbag systems. This is not a how-to video, this video is for entertaining purposes only. Before disconnecting the seat, you need to disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour, because it's part of the airbag system. Just quick reminder for any of you that are qualified and certified to work on those things. And you need to know which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first, because if you do it the wrong way, you can burn modules and computers that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. I think this one is loose too. Perfect. Now we're gonna go to the front, guys. Same thing, to the front. Okay, let's see now. We're going to scoot the seat all the way to the back. Okay, it's coming loose now. See now, some napkins there. Okay, the bolts are a little bit more visible here, so we should have a better luck. Now. Okay, so I'm trying to see all the options here. Okay, let's go up a little bit so we can clearly see here, guys. Okay. It's super tight. Okay, finally loose. Wow, those bolts will make you sweat. That's for sure. Oh, we found a free napkin. We found other free things that you don't want to know about in that car, guys. Sometimes the things that you will find, it's ridiculous. Now, right there. Hey, that one is the only bolt that's not going too bad. I mean, it's still tight, but it's not to where your eyes are about to come out. Ah, come on. Okay, now the seat, we're gonna scoot it all the way to the front again. We need to kind of like align like that, the rails. Okay, let's pull the cover in the back. It's loose to make sure that the seat doesn't fall on it. We need to hold it a little bit and we'll show you how to disconnect here. Now, okay, the wiring harness. Next step, guys, we need to disconnect, okay, the car battery, and then once we disconnect the car battery, we can continue with the next step. So let's do that now. So guys, everything is disconnected. Now this one, we're going to disconnect that wire, that one here, this one next. Never pull for the connectors itself. The main wire, okay, here for the module. That's the one that always gives me trouble, okay? I might need to remove the module, okay, to be able to, okay, to remove that thing out, because I cannot reach that clip on top there. It's quite tight. And it again didn't come off. Almost came off. On the driver's side, the same thing happened. This clip is extremely tight. And let me see. Not yet, we need to push in on it, then press down. And I need to get, let me get like one little bitty tool that we have, a toothpick, kind of like for dentists. It's super convenient. Okay, or a little bitty screwdriver or something with a short handle, so I can get in here, because okay, this thing is okay, I got it loose. Perfect. I'm going to put the module back in so it's in place. The next step, guys, will be to disconnect, okay, that wire harness. You slide it forward, come loose. Here we need to disconnect, okay, a couple holders. and this one is gonna come loose, it's gonna break here. That's so tight, it's unbelievable. I might need to go ahead and pull the tape a little bit here because I'll retape it later, otherwise it's gonna break off the mount. Okay, almost out, because I'll retape it here, otherwise trying to pull that clip will break things. Complicated matter. One on this side. Now, okay, gently we're going to set the seat down. Let's gently set it down. And okay, I want to make sure that everything's good. Yep, it's good. Something's hitting here and there. Okay, the seat needs to slide back. But let me look at it. We need to lift it up a little bit. Lift the whole seat up to go in the holes there. Okay, now here guys, okay, on the sides, let me show you. That cover needs to come off. So let me pass the camera quick and we need to disconnect the belt. Okay, on this side you have two clips, you slide it out. The belt, it comes with a spring. Once we remove it, I'll show you what it looks like. But that spring, okay, I'm trying to see if, okay, perfect. I removed it. That spring, you need to just stretch it out. Once you pull it out, you'll be able to get the belt out. Now that seat is supposed to come out. Wonder which way, back or front. Both ways are. Okay, let's leave the camera so we can do it two of us, because it's heavy seat, guys. Heavy seat and I don't want to do damage to the car. So let's try through the front on this one. The driver one, we got it through the back. Careful with your dash. And we got it out, guys. Okay, passenger seat is out of there. Okay, you can see just like that. Now guys, we're gonna have more than 300 free repair videos on that Porsche Cayenne. Check out our YouTube channels. Let me show you quick. If you want to see fuses, relays there on electrical car repair live, most of the mechanical videos will be on auto repair guys and world mechanics. Check it out, guys. We have diagnostics and all that stuff that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.